Forward to glory! Charge!
So what you're going to do is come to Google and type Google Vids. Open up the first link and it's going to open up this interface where you can sign in with your Gmail account. I tried doing this with my phone. The site opens up on the phone, but you have to turn it to a desktop view. I honestly just suggest you do this with a laptop. It's easier. So by the way, if you liked the sound design on this video you just watched in the beginning and you'd like to know how you can do that with AI and not do your sound score manually anymore, I've made a video about it and I'm going to link it in the description box. Do check it out if you're interested. So it's going to open up this interface where you get to see all the things that you can do with this. View 3, convert slides, you can record yourself, you can upload anything. There's so much to do with Google Vids. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to use this, comment down below. But for this video, I just want to show you how to generate videos using this tool. Now, I typed on View 3 and it opens up this interface. Now you have so many things you can do here. To record yourself, you can generate images, you can add captions. This is basically a video editor. So we're going to start by generating from scratch. You can create from scratch and you can animate an image. The creating from scratch is typically just text to video. So I'm going to tap on it. I'll add my prompts and change the aspect ratio to landscape or portrait, anyone you want, and then I'll tap on generate. This will take a little time and it will generate your video for you. After this, I'm also going to show you how to animate an image in case you want to use your image to generate the videos. Okay, our video is now generated. Once you tap on it, it opens up here. And of course, this also comes with sound. Now, remember I told you that this is a video editor. I'm going to show you how you can bring your clips to your timeline here and export them as one single video. But if you want to export just this one, you can right click and save the video on its own. Now, let us get to animating an image. To animate an image you already have, just come back up here and switch this to animate an image. Then bring in agree, then bring in the image you want to animate. I'm just going to bring in this very simple image and give it a very simple prompt just to show you how it works. Just a hand writing a letter, then tap on generate. This will take less time. I noticed that it took less time than when I was generating text to video. So once that is done, tap on it. Sometimes, you know, with AI, you just have to keep trying. It's sort of writing on top of the prompt wasn't detailed enough, so in your case you give it a better and detailed prompt to give you a better result, of course. Then now to bring this to the timeline, you tap on the video and you tap on insert. This brings it to your timeline. So for instance, if I have multiple scenes, I just use ChatGPT to generate scenes and I'm going to try generating videos, and then I'll bring the videos down to the timeline and export as one single file, about 30 seconds or so. So generate your videos, tap on each one to insert to the timeline. To insert the next one, you have to tap on this plus sign right here, or else it will replace the previous video. So you tap on the plus sign, then you insert the next image. Once you've arranged your videos, you can edit them here if you want. If you want an in-depth tutorial, just let me know. Or you can just export as a whole and edit using your favorite editing platform. So to do that, you just come up here to File, you scroll to Download, you download as an MP4 video and it will save to your device as one video. And again, here is a final product after editing and all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Forward to glory!